to fix Xbox app, content failed to load, error on Windows PC. And if your games or library won't appear, this video will solve it. Are you facing the problem where the Xbox app opens but shows content failed to load, leaving your library empty or preventing game downloads, even though your internet is fine? This usually happens because of corrupted app cache, broken Xbox services, or network and permission issues that block the app from fetching content. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow and often fail. That is why Rexus is sharing a secret easy trick that quickly fixes a content fail to load error and restores full Xbox app functionality. This simple method works fast, stays safe, and ensures you can access your games, library, and features without errors. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix Xbox app content fail to load on Windows PC, comment below and tell Rexus, and you can finally use the Xbox app without interruptions.